Hi, besties. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you're going to see this video, right? Besties, I'm not happy. I'm coming, let me think water. I don't know what is wrong with this neighbor people in my area. Once it's weekend, they like to start misbehaving. Now they're giving us low voltage, like my charger is not even carrying my charger voltage, like That's to show you how low the voltage is. It's very, very bad. And now my ring light is something I can actually plug in a power bank. But my power bank is wireless. And my ring light is not wireless. And I need to make this video because I'm making chicken curry sauce. It's so painful, like so painful. Anyways, let me show you guys my meat. I've washed my meat. Anyways, this is my meat. I've washed it. I've not seasoned it yet. This is my ingredient though. It's so painful. Let me arrange my stuff. The thing is, I'm going to try my best, but trust me, it might not be like my normal videos, but I just pray to just try to get to the level of my normal videos. Okay, let me just prep all my stuff and show you guys before I start mixing my concoction. You can see the lights from there is shaking. Not only that bulb they show for my house. This never be Oloma J. So besties, let me. That is my veggies, right? Hey, what is this thing? So, I'm actually dicing my red bell peppers. So, I have to ensure I cook this thing this night so that tomorrow morning when I come back from church, I'll just boil rice, I'll eat. And that will be all. See, I swear to God, this shit is so handy, like I love it. So my bell pepper is finished. Sefine. This is my carrot time right now. So it's time for me to dice my words. Carrots. So you just have to make it this flat so that you can, do what you want to do. And cut it. See, this shit is so handy. I'm not going to lie for you now. Like gas obuomaka. So besties, I'm done chopping my carrot. So adding it. So the next thing I'm going to chop now is my green beans, and I'll still use my, my obonga chopper. So the only thing I've cut the head and the tail. Should be now waiting on before. Still go ahead and set it though. I did not come this life to suffer. Now you like suffer, cause me, I freaking don't like suffer. Besties, I'm done with my green beans, and we're going next with our onion, and that's on it. Period. Hi, now like this, this is after 9 now. I need to finish this food, cooking this shit before. Okay, So I just actually seasoned my stock and allowing it to simmer inside, like let it marinate very well, right? So let me go and light my gas and put it in fire. Put it on fire. Put it on fire. Yeah. So this is my meat. So besties, the next thing I'm going in with is my what? Onion, right? So I've sliced it this way. So I'll be able to place it and what? Chop it. Like see, this thing is so, this shit is, it's so handy. Now you like sofa, me I don't like sofa. Let me use this one for my pepper. For my normal pepper, scotch bonnet, right? So besties, my stock is ready. I'll sieve it out and fry my meat just a little bit, not much frying. Biggie, heavy, do you want me? So this is frying under a very low heat. So wait, may I come out this head though. So I've gone in with my veggies. This is 9:59. Kai, be smart. So this is my meat. Yep. My cabbage. At this point, I'm just doing everything sharp because I'm tired. These lights when Nepa no give me today. Yeah, papa. There's no light and I'm sweating. I'm so tired like this. I can't wait to just finish and go and have my bath. Anyway, once this thing soften, give me my meat stock and my cabbage. Allow it to cook for a while because I want the cabbage to melt in the sauce. I don't know. See, let me just tell you guys, if you're not using corn flour to make your sauce or anything, use cabbage, cook it, overcook it. I'll just give you guys cooking tips. But I actually have corn flour, but I like my cabbage melting in my curry sauce. Yeah. So I've added my meat stock and all that stuff. I'll allow it to cook. So while that is boiling, I'm mixing my corn flour and water. That's just it, nothing much again. I don't think I'll even need to season my sauce because my meat stock is well seasoned. Let me start doing my dishes so that I won't waste time once this stuff is done. Am I the only one that like chicken feet? This one, our old layer is strong. It's strong past people relationship. I beg. What's it on? So besties, I've gotten the consistency. Right? Yes, I've gotten the consistency I want in my veggies. Like they are soft as I want it now. So I'm going in with my corn flour. Don't forget, this is a thickener. So besties, are you seeing it now? Are you seeing how it's looking? So with this and how salty your veggies is, Dabere chuku mommy. So the next thing I'm going to go in is with my meat stock. I just want to allow this to come to a boil a little bit, and then I'll go with my stock, my chicken, and Stephanie. So besties, at this point I'm going to add more water because it's actually very thick. You get, and by the time it cools off, by tomorrow that I'll be using it to eat, it should be more thick. So I need to add more water. Yep. So besties, this is how I want it. Not too thick, not too watering, and see you guys tomorrow.